Hello, today we're going to do the icy nude makeup look, mainly focusing on the eyes. Just applying my toner. I'm also going to apply a milk toner as well because my skin looks a bit dry. 3 drops of the Bioma. I love this toner. I wish you didn't have to buy it from Amazon UK. Could buy it locally. I hope Amazon listens to us. And for the moisturizer, I'm going to apply my usual, the gel moisturizer from Neutrogena. So I have to talk about this amazing experience. I don't know if my video or someone else's video about Sephora's treatment of colored people got noticed, but for the first time ever, because my vlog did get reposted by another vlog called Perth Life, which has got large amount of followers, and I don't know if that's the Emco Beauty Grip Primer, but the service was excellent. Like 4 people literally came and asked me, spending time giving me explanation about the product, and they were always available, and I must comment on that. I think it's something worth mentioning because this is the first time that, you know, I was casually dressed. I wasn't even that just ordinary, a casual black dress, just the one I'm wearing, and the service I got was excellent. And I must comment on that. It is so important that we make people aware. That's the Huda Beauty Blur primer that I've applied in the center of my face. Then going with the Blur foundation. As you know, I like very little of the foundation. And I'm just going to apply some Bioma because I don't like thick full coverage foundations. They are not my favorite. So yes, so that was something that was so amazing. I was literally blown away by the service that Sephora staff gave me at Carousel today. Excellent work, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Whoever was the manager on the floor, she was amazing. She was just moving around, this young girl, asking everyone, stepping in when needed, and excellent. So just applying that foundation that has been thinned out, because I don't like thick foundation. I like my skin showing through, and hence that is why we are thinning it out. And I think that is enough foundation on the brush. I've coated the brush with the foundation. So this is my new way. As I'm getting older, I tend to use, I like that transparency in my face that just makes it unlikely for the product cake. Then I am going to She Glam maple syrup for my contour. You see, I'm applying it in a vertical line these days because my cheekbone is not horizontal. It's got a little bit of that kind of a feel, so I just exaggerate it a little bit and then make it, because I like an elongated face rather than a broad face. So that's what I do. Then waiting for that to dry. While we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade Coca Loca. Just a couple of drops just there. And then I haven't applied bronzer because this bronzer blush does, this concealer does have a little bit of warmth to it, but we can apply this is the Earthy Sepia from She Glam as well, just to give it a little bit more of the warmth. Just a couple of dots, I would say, and I'd give the center of that a little bit more warmth as well. And then we are going to blend that in. So I start off with the cheeks. Don't want it to look muddy, so blend it well. Blend it upwards. This one I am going to blend it to the edge of my face. She Glam has come a long way, and some of their products are such good quality for what you're paying. Really amazing, I must say. Just taking a clean brush to just sort of reduce the product a little bit, just to make sure it doesn't get muddy, because we're doing an icy nude look. This is about cool tones. Warmth you can bring with the blush. You can either use a mauve or a pink, but I'm just going to add a little bit of the Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 31 and just blending that in with my hand. So we're going to do a very cool tone look. So I did something in this. I'm just going to take a little bit more kind of cooler look. So I'm going to use a gray. Ooh, that's really nice. These are colors that I never believed would show on my skin. Hood has done such a fantastic job with this. And then we are going to apply some glitter on it. So for the glitter, I'm going to use something different. We're going to use this one. I always pick this up and then I struggle because it doesn't stick. I do need glitter glue. So I'm going to apply some NYX glitter glue. Just a little bit in the center of my eyes. I mean the inner corners of my eyes. You see how that sticks now? Then I'm going back on my palette and then just applying that. Look at that now. Look at how that shows up. It's an amazing palette. So pretty. A little bit of black gray because I don't have this color in the Huda palette. I'm going to take this flat brush and just tight, kind of just close to the lash line. Just giving it a little bit of a lift. That matches the upper lash line. This is the liquid cream eyeshadow from Mecca Max that I'm using. Maybelline. My telescopic has dried out, or rather used and finished. It's over. So I want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I might actually get that one of these days. Frostbite IcyNude Face Gloss. I personally thought it was a bit gimmicky. It wasn't doing anything with that. But when you apply it on its own, it does look pretty and it does give a gloss. a bit pinkish, so don't want it to clash with your rest of the makeup. And it's sticky as well. Just the high points of your face. I'm using the Huda Beauty lip contour in warm brown. See, this is the problem with this product. It just breaks off. That's why I don't like this. It's creamy, but it breaks off. Same thing with Fenty Beauty as well. I think this is called Shifaya. Oh. I love this lip gloss. Revolution Matte Fix. Oh. And while that dries out, we didn't apply any powder, so while that dries, I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics pink peach color loose powder. Ooh, nice. Uff, walking. Uff, for adai. My God, I love it. I think this is the best makeup look I've created in a long time. It's got to do a lot with the Huda Beauty IcyNude collection. I love that. It looks so amazing on brown skin. And that powder, it makes my skin look, except for the few underneath there where I did not apply powder, the Tarte Creaseless Setting Powder in pink, amazing on brown skin. Please do try it, guys. There's also a purple there. I think it looks good on us. I had the purple one in other brands, so I wanted to try pink one because I don't have a pink one. That hair, my God. Rachel from Alchemy, she killed it. I had a few photographs, but she mixed the photograph together and created her own concoction. And look how it turned out. It looks so classy and elegant. I really am in love with this look. That eyes is popping out because of that eyeliner. I'm so happy with the makeup. This is the best in a while, I think. Do let me know what your thoughts are. Please do like, share and subscribe.